Hi there and welcome to our Klaviyo's video course. In this session, we are going to explore the magic of email flows and automation, helping you connect with your customers in the most personalized and effortless way. Alright, let's start with the basics and what exactly are email flows. So picture this. You are running your business and every time someone signs up for your emails, buys something, or leaves their cart, they get a personalized email from you. Sounds amazing, right? But manually sending these emails? Exhausting. And that's where email flows comes in. They are like your personal email assistant, automated sequences that sends themselves based on what your customers do. Set it up once and Klaviyo handles the rest. It's like having a superpower. For example, when someone joins your email list, they automatically get a warm welcome email. Or if they leave something in their cart, they get a little nudge to come back. It's all about being there for your customer at the exact right moment without you lifting a finger. Pretty cool, right? So now, let's understand why use email flows. Now, you are probably wondering, why should I bother setting up email flow? Here is the thing. Email flows save you a ton of time instead of having you sit down and manually send every single email. You can just set it up once and let Klaviyo do the work for you. But it's not just about saving time. It's about building real personalized connections with your customers. You can send them the right email at exactly the right moment, whether they are new subscribers, people who abandoned their cart, or repeat customers. Personalization is equals to better engagement, more sales, and having more loyal customers. It's like having a personalized shopping assistant for every single person. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the most popular types of email flows you want to set up in Klaviyo. So first, you need to sign into your Klaviyo account, and then you'll be welcomed to the Klaviyo's dashboard. And on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the option of the flows. So simply click this, and scrolling down, you can see on the screen there are many types of flows. So first is the welcome flow. So this is the first impression you make on a new subscriber. A great welcome series can introduce your brand, give them a special offer, and encourage them to start engaging with your products or services. And the second one you can see here is the abandoned cart flow. So we have all been there. Customers add products to their cart but leave before completing their purchase. With an abandoned cart flow, you can remind them of what they have left behind and offer an incentive to complete the purchase. And the third one is you can see here is the customer thank you or the post-purchase flow. So after someone makes a purchase, don't let the conversation end. A post-purchase flow allows you to thank the offer, upsell or cross-sell products and encourage repeat purchases. And the fourth one you can see here is the customer win-back flow. So, customers who haven't been interacted with your brand in a while needs a little nudge. This flow helps you re-engage dormant subscribers and get them back in the action. Okay, now let's talk about how easy it is to set up your first flow in Klaviyo. So don't be intimidated. Klaviyo makes it super simple. The drag and drop editor means you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. You can pick from where you pre-built templates which are already optimized for success and then tweak them to match your brand style and tone. And once you are set up, Klaviyo will track everything for you, so you can see exactly how your flows are performing. Well, you will know what's working and you will have the insights to make things even better. So here are the key features of Klaviyo flows. So first one is the segmentation and personalization. Segment your audience by behavior and interest and location to send highly personalized emails that boost segments. Second one is advanced analytics. Track open rates, click rates, conversions, and more to optimize your strategy and improve your performance. Third is the pre-built templates. And the fourth one is the pre-built templates. Get started quickly with your customizable flow templates that simply set up and take the guesswork out of the automation. So alright, so why should you really love email flows? And here is why. First one is they save your time. Automate your emails so you don't have have to worry about sending them manually. Second one is they feel personal. Send the right email at the right time, making your customers feels like you are always thinking of them. Third one is they improve the customer experience. By sending helpful, relevant emails, you can create a seamless, enjoyable experience for your customers. And the fourth one is they boost your revenue. By recovering abandoned carts and encouraging repeat purchases, email flows drive more sales. And now that you have known how powerful email flows can be, it's time to get started. In the next lesson, we will walk you through the process of setting up your first flow in Klaviyo, step by step, so you will be ready to go in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you how email flows transforms your business. And you have got. See you guys in the next video.